Bay leaf is a standard cooking ingredient in many savory dishes. Though available fresh, it's typically easier to find bay leaves dried. Throughout history, bay leaves have been used in many different ways for possible health benefits. The bay leaf tea has a whole range of health benefits. Let's look at some of them. Number 1. Improves digestion. A cup of bay leaf tea has a strong effect on the gastrointestinal system. It reduces the level of toxicity in the body and acts as a substance that causes vomiting when something toxic has entered into the body. It may also interest you to know that the organic compound buildup found in bay leaves are also potent in settling serious cases of stomach upset and irritable bowel syndrome. Sometimes our bodies find it difficult to digest some of the complex protein found in our diet. The bay leaf has some distinctive enzymes that can effectively act as a catalyst to facilitate such digestion. Number 2. Promotes a healthy heart. The bay leaf tea has phytochemicals that protect the heart against diseases like heart attack and stroke. It also has caffeic acids that improve the functionality of the heart. It also has rutin, which strengthens the capillary walls of the heart. Boiling the bay leaf with water and drinking can prevent heart disease. Number 3. Reduces stress. You might not know it, but the bay leaf tea contains linalool, which is commonly associated with oregano and thyme. It is also known for having a relaxing effect that helps reduce stress levels, especially when used in aromatherapy. It's a good idea to adopt the habit of taking a cup of bay leaf tea to calm down when feeling stressed. Number 4. Helps in treating diabetes. The bay leaf has the tendency to reduce levels of cholesterol and glucose in the body. Polyphenol also happens to be the most effective component in the bay leaf tea for diabetes, as it helps to control glucose in the blood. A cup of bay leaf tea, therefore, is very potent in managing type 2 diabetes. More so, the antioxidants in the leaf also help insulin to function effectively and efficiently. Number 5. Potent pain reliever. A cup of bay leaf tea is quite effective in alleviating the pain of sprain, strain and arthritis, and it also helps in fighting inflammation. It is an amazing way to cure headaches and migraines. It also helps in increasing blood circulation. Number 6. Strengthens the immune system. Bay leaf contains vitamin A and C and also zinc, which helps to strengthen the immune system. They also increase the ability of the white blood cells to fight off invaders. Number 7. Fights cancer. Bay leaf contains a combination of antioxidants and organic compounds, as well as catechins, linalool, and phytonutrients that help fight off free radicals. Some studies suggest that bay leaf may help inhibit the growth of breast and colorectal cancer cells.